be here considering it's only an hour from our house and we never knew it was here. We didn't even know this track was here, did we?
No.
Well, rally track. But yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, this is going to be deadly.
I'm already overstimulated.
I know. This is sick. They're fridges and toolboxes. Are you kidding me? That's insane. There is some crazy stuff there. Some rads. There's so much to take in. We're just doing a quick loop first.
All I can say is it's a good job we bought the big car.
Gonna come back with like half the show.
So we literally just spent an hour talking to our friends at Artec, but now we're actually gonna do a proper show walk around because I feel like we just got so overwhelmed and missed so many things. So anyway, Chris is now looking at everything.
See, a lot of the things that we're seeing here right up my alley. Apparently right up Lex's as well. What? This is insane. What? Here we are talking about rims.
Little baby wheels.
There's little baby wheels.
How cute that one is. I want
The little baby wheels.
Little baby gold ones.
Wow.
Those sofas look really comfy over there.
Which ones? Oh. They do look like some comfy sofas. Also, keep seeing gas pumps everywhere.
Yeah, maybe it's the time we get one, finally.
Maybe it's the time we get one.
There's like a shop that had them.
Yeah, it's at the back here. Let's go have a look.
Do I want one for £3,000?
I do. I want one for £3,000. This is like insane. Details at the bottom. Hope you don't mind just having a look.
Feel free. Yeah, no problem.
Are we okay to walk around inside?
Yeah.
Thank you. That is insane. That is so cool. Question is, which colour would you go for, Lex? Who would have known?
That would look sick. I would go for like a pink and a black vibe, I think. Would you? What colour would you go for?
Black and something, because black doesn't show anything up. And this is sort of like, oh, it's like hard. See, I thought these were like the soft mats that come together, but that's not too bad.
Just because they drain through.
You still want to be a
Yeah.
Then you can take them up and like sweep out because it drains through. But yeah, that's
And I think you just like mallet them together so they just hook each side. We are going to take notes because we got this garage.
we have this garage build, and if you guys don't know, now is a good time to hit subscribe so you know.
Exactly. Now roping Lex into looking at trailers because the Accord needs to tow something. This is quite a cool design. It's that friendliness to our lowered cars that's quite cool. Yeah, on the tip trailers is quite good. See, still trying to like look at some of these designs.
See, I still think the front bumper would have to come off.
See, that's the only thing that I'm like unsure about.
I mean, front bumper would come off, but it's just...
Yeah, I mean, we're going to design them so that they can go that way, but it's just thinking what the logistics are of them. See, the good thing about these is that they're the new electrics as well.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's not like you're buying an old one and then the electrics go wrong or anything like that. And your pneumatics are fine as well.
Yeah,
Oh, this is going to be a pit, this is.
This year is going to be a money pit.
Yeah. This is, yeah.
We're in too deep now.
We're in too deep. I like how we're walking around, I'm looking at all the rally cars and Lex is going,
Yeah,
this is cool. It's fully tub it. See, I'm hoping with the Artec we get that good ones.
No, I hope we get good at it.
Definitely.
I'm sure we will. So we've literally only done one unit, but now we're going to the second one. And there's so much more stuff. Oh my god.
The actual kryptonite car models.
Stop.
The addiction. I'm guilty.
It is a cool one, so like, yeah, there was no MR2s, they also had the Matchbox ones, but there wasn't any MR2 Matchbox ones, unfortunately. But there's still a whole bunch of other cool stuff to look at. I kind of want one of these. Look how sick this is, like the lights work.
See, we should do this.
Oh, you can get the rear bumper as well. They're fiberglass, there.
No. Trust Lex to find more.
Always go to the Hot Wheels stand. That one's cool.
The boss, the wagon.
It's hardly, like, Chris has a massive stack of old magazines.
Not massive.
So if there's some like cool ones.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna take a look. There's a couple of these going on.
Yeah.
Before we get too carried away, we're gonna go around the outside first and work our way in.
Yeah.
Because we just lose track of what to do. Oh. What? Look, only 30 quid.
The initial D one.
Oh, that's sick. This is the sort of thing we're like really into.
I'm literally gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry.
Mark II.
I'm actually gonna cry.
These are impossible to find.
This has made my day now. I want to go home.
We've got too much to do. We're gonna spend so much money. We don't have the money. We'll make it back. Money comes back, right?
Money comes back.
Money comes back.
This shit doesn't.
We've only just looked around the edge.
Now we're going in the middle.
And already we're like picking up leaflets, buying things.
Oh, I want this because I can't find another one, I bet. You guys have no idea like how
It's
hyped I am for
crazy.
it.
There's just genuinely so much
I
to
feel
it.
so overwhelmed and I'm also really hungry, but I want to keep looking at stuff. And there's this really cool Honda jacket which I really want to get, and it's £50 and I really want to get it. It is big though, it's big.
We'll have to have a look.
I don't know.
It's just everything is so tempting to just buy.
I know. So we just got literally like the coolest stuff ever. So I have an obsession with like John Player Special right now, and like those colours. So Chris found this, which is
an
really
old
cool.
race, like
It's an old like race book.
tells you about all the races,
1972.
all the drivers at the time, and then this.
And then I got this sticker, and then
Formula 3.
Chris got this old school Honda sticker, which is really cool. And
Got
this
it for
only
free,
costed
basically.
like, yeah, they gave us the Honda sticker for free, and then everything else just cost us like 8 quid.
Can I
So
put this in here?
yeah, of course you can. But the Mr. DOS.
But the Mr. Dust.
Oh no. We've just found this John Players magazine, which is so sick. I think I need to find the paint code for that colour and then get my wheels done in that colour. Just when you thought we were done,
Oh my gosh, there's loads
there's
more.
a whole bunch more. So I believe that this is called the Hall of Fame Hall. Yeah, where do we start? I spot Hot Wheels.
This is crazy.
There's Hot Wheels.
Where? Oh well.
There's a shit ton of Hot Wheels here. Look at that. Look how many there is. We're gonna be here a while. Like, we're gonna be here like an hour. So there was nothing mega crazy in the Hot Wheels department, but look at all of these. You guys have no idea. Look at that. That's cool, no? Oh my god. This is sick.
Look at the seats. The embroidery.
I really like this colour scheme. Look at the engine bay.
Talk about tuck. That's crazy.
The little Maguire's cats.
Inside the ITVs to stop people from chucking things into them.
I saw someone put like tennis balls in one ITV.
Ping pong, tennis, yeah, I've seen it. Pretty cool.
I think I want it doing it like the pillar, and then I think I want it going like through the middle of the center panel, I think. I don't want these door bits. I think I literally would just have it like
Just
this.
down the front.
Yeah, I won't have any of this.
This sick.
I don't think I'll do anything in the rear either.
Well, I mean, you'd have the bar across the back, though.
I don't know, maybe.
Like some of the MR2s through the tombstone,
Yeah.
you can cut through the centre. So you can go bar behind you on one side, bar behind you on the other, near the boxes.
Yeah.
And then have a beam come across the centre, or an X beam. So kind of like that, through the centre of the tombstone or just a straight line.
Yeah, so I could do.
You could do. I've seen it done really nicely before, but it's like, it's tricky to get it nice. Like, these are some clean wells.
Honey's got the goods, he's got the K&N stickers. There's so many K&N stickers. Look at this paint there. Or is it wrapped? Is that wrapped? Yeah, it's wrapped.
That's a cool glitter.
It's a cool glitter wrap. It's a cool K&N livery as well. We really like all the racing jackets, but like I feel like the ones they make now are just too new. Like we like the old style ones, like either like a leather one or like a proper like bomber jacket. Oh, look at these pictures. They're really cool. What have we got here? What is that? What is that? A jack?
I don't know.
No, it's a jack.
What, the back?
No, this, yeah.
Oh.
This is a vibe.
Look at this, like...
Yeah.
That's what threw me off.
What is that?
Like an air vent or something.
Air intake? This is cool.
Some of the old school stuff.
You don't realize how long that is. Look at the wing on that.
I love how that's just a house.
Yeah, that's just a house.
That's just a random house.
Just a house. It's a pretty nice house, honey. We could live there.
I want to look at the house.
That's more than big enough for us to live in. Look how cute this is. It's like a portable one.
But it looks like a...
But it actually looks like a house. That is done so well.
That's...
It's got stairs.
crazy.
It's got stairs and everything. That's so cute. Look at the stairs
The deck's
inside.
quite excessive.
Look, I think there's a little living area
There is,
upstairs.
there's like a little bed.
Look, the bed's there.
But there's another one upstairs.
That's mental. Anyway, now Chris wants a tiny house. Let's go back to looking at cars. What have we got here?
Bang.
Dang. What is that old Nissan back there? What is that? Oh no, it's not a Nissan, it's an Opel. Look. Honey, it's an Opel Manta.
That's sick.
I know. I've never actually seen one of these in person before. So this is my first time.
No, you don't tend to see them in the UK.
Oh, that's sick. What is this? The oil coolers in there? That goes hard. That actually goes hard. I don't know. That goes hard. I like
That's
that.
crazy.
That's mental. Look at this. That's cool.
Old school head pins.
Hood pins. Do we want to get hood pins for
Yes.
the engine that's in the rear?
Yes.
Yes.
And the engine that's in the front. Which means that I need to now figure out how to do hood pins
Yes.
on
We do.
the brand
I really
new
want to get a shell sticker, by the way.
condition bonnet I need to get.
I want a shell sticker. I really like it. Look at this clear, like. How do we feel about the clear?
I love it.
Do you like it? I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like you have to have a proper clean engine bay. I don't know, because Chris is more interested in just like doing
Drive
crazy
it.
builds. Yeah, and driving it, whereas I like want to make it look nice. This is our first time coming to any type of rally event. Obviously we live out in the countryside, so it's like we do have a lot of rally by us, but it's not something that we normally go to because we normally stick to like the JDM shows. But I will say this has been really like refreshing because there's other stuff rather than just like keyring brands, clothing brands, stuff like that. Like it's good to have it,
Yeah.
but once you've seen it like a couple times, it's good to just have a change up.
Originally going to come, and then Yuka had a contract with Audi to drive up in the north of Sweden. Basically, just after their appearances, the other one's been up, weren't too bad.
Yeah, where was the stage?
Just as the entrance, exit, chassis legs. I built every bit of it earlier, so we're just been testing. Yeah, we don't need a map at this one. I think we'll just wing it. Why not? But put us back slightly, but yeah, it was good to get a bit of...
Okay, so we're back in the warm now, and it's actually quieting down so much so we can actually get a chance to look at some cool cars.
It's so much more free when the rallies are.
Push, push.
Weird that.
funny that. But yeah, it was just taking like ages. We were like, let's come back in the warm, we can pop back out in a bit. So yeah, Chris found this sticker place that had like loads of old vintage like rally stickers. They were like only £1 each, so Chris wants to go back there. Yeah, here we go.
This week. Or just chuck your email or phone number in it, just ping it straight through. Sure? Yeah, of course.
There's so many.
Thank you for that, Scott.
We've just found these Nissan matches. How cute are they? We're back here again because Chris has an obsession with these little shift knobs. Like, especially this one for an automatic.
Like, what is it?
I don't know, but we don't need that one. We've got the Mishi one.
I know, but it's just like sick, right?
Yeah.
Look at that, that's a shift. Like what? No?
Yeah. So, funny story, I literally just walked past this Hot Wheels stand and I was like, oh look, a Z. Now we have said Z. And then Chris was like trying to get him down to £2 because they wanted £3 for an out of the box Hot Wheels. Yeah, scammed, I know. But Chris bought it anyway.
I had to. I can't not.
Oh dear. Right, so we didn't get any stickers. What did we get?
Hot Wheels?
Yes.
Overpriced Hot Wheels?
Over there. Yeah,
We had an overpriced Hot Wheels. We've now found another stand that does tools and realised that Chris actually got ripped off for
Not massively,
all of his
but...
tools. Like a £5 difference, right? Keep having this saying that says like money comes back.
Money does not indeed come back.
It doesn't. We're very much realising that very quickly, and now we're in an issue that we've bought so much like little Hot Wheels and stuff that now we can't build cars anymore. Right, so we are heading off now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We actually really enjoyed this as our first race retro. We had a really good time.
We didn't watch much of the rally, but...
No, well, because we just got the timings wrong and we spent like an hour talking to Artek and then we like, yeah, it's been a whole thing. Anyway, you guys will see it online and you'll see all our short form online. And yeah, a lot more projects, but I feel like this was a really good one to kick off show season and actually just make us so much motivated to get our projects done, because I feel like we're lacking a little bit. Obviously we're working like crazy alongside doing this, but
yeah, I mean there were crazy brands there as well that we're definitely going to try and hook
for sure, yeah.
Get
so
things from the future.
We got some really good business cards, some really good links.
Bought some tools,
which that Chris got ripped off for. But anyway, we've got some really good connections, which is always handy to have. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time.